in Cape May Point at this beautiful cottage, and I am delivering my latest project. There are 2 twin slipcovers for these beautiful Bassett club chairs. They're really good quality, they're in really good shape, so they were a good candidate for a slipcover. This is a fabric from Sunbrella. I sell a lot of Sunbrella because it's launderable, it's fade resistant, and it gets soft over time. It's acrylic, it's easy to clean, and it's really like kid-proof, cat-proof, dog-proof, everything-proof. So, and this is called Highlight Splendor, and it's really a beautiful, fun stripe. So I'm gonna demonstrate how this goes on. I usually will make all my slip covers with at least 1 zipper. I did this one with 2 just because I wanted to make it easy for the homeowner to be able to get it off and on. And here we go. And as you can see, I have this one done already. So I did have success. I know that they'll go on, and I know they look beautiful. Here we go, we're almost there. This is where the magic happens. Super easy. Usually get like 1 arm on, and then you scoot the other arm on, and then you just spend some time straightening that out. Zip. I have Velcro closures in the back. Almost done. Zip it down. Okay, that's pretty much it. We're gonna spend a little time getting everything straight and making sure the seams are down, and voila, there it is. And hey everybody, it's Vicki from Sweet Peas, and I am just delivered my latest project. These are identical club chairs made with a Sunbrella fabric. It's Highlight Splendor, and it's a beautiful, fun stripe. Very cottagey, very sweet, and I love working with stripes, and I'm really, really pleased with how I was able to match them across the arm and down the front. It's a tight back, 1 cushion chair with a full skirt. And I just kept the skirt very basic. It's just your, a little tailored pleated skirt. Nothing fancy, but super sweet. And I think they came out beautifully. And my customer really loves them too. That's all I can ask for. All right, take care everybody. See you next project.